Welcome, dear meditators, to a championship like no other. Today, we are embarking on a cloud-shaping journey. So, sit comfortably and close your eyes. Take a deep breath in, and a long, slow breath out. Imagine you are lying on a soft, green meadow, your body completely relaxed, grounded, and at peace. Above you, the sky is a canvas of azure blue, a palette waiting for your imagination to paint. Now, let's take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, imagine you're blowing a bubble into the sky. Inside this bubble is your imagination, free to roam and create. As the bubble bursts in the air, it starts to form a cloud. What does it look like? Is it a fantastical creature? A wacky hat? Or perhaps a flying spaghetti monster? Let your imagination wander and see what fun shapes you can create. Remember, there's no right or wrong. There's just fun and creativity. As you continue this playful interaction with the clouds, allow your body to relax deeper with each breath you take. The aim is not only to shape the clouds, but also to shape your mind, teaching it to find joy, wonder, and relaxation in the smallest of moments. When you are ready, gently bring your attention back to your surroundings and open your eyes. Remember, the sky's the limit when it comes to your imagination. Thank you for joining the Cloud Shaping Championship. Take a deep breath in, and a long, slow breath out. Until next time, keep looking up and let your imagination run wild.